Okay. Workshop. So this is a wonderful way to really get to know yourself and to really start to embody what values are really important to you. Of course, you're going to have values that you move through your whole life with. For example, love is a value that I have moved through my entire life with. That's a very important core value for me. But what we're going to be doing here is identifying several of your values that you want to work with during this next segment of our program, what you want to really embody for this part of our time together. So I am going to go ahead and pull up my screen. So just give me a second here and share. Okay. So this is one of my most favorite activities, if you will. It's really a wonderful way to discover what you really want to be embodying. So, for example, my core desired values at the moment are love, trust, intelligence, brilliance, and being grounded. So those are something that I keep on my board. I know that they're there all of the time, and I am thinking about them. I'm reading them. I'm looking at them. I know what my values are. If I asked you, what are your top 3 values? I would like you to really know what those are and be able just to say what they are out loud with ease, quickly, so you're really understanding and knowing yourself better and better and better as we move through this program. So I want you to get out your notebook, and we're just going to start here with this first group. And so since we're doing this on a video, I'm going to just leave this up, and you can pause it, and then you can go through the group numbers. So what I want you to do is I want you to pick 2 to 3 from each group number 1, group number 2, and group number 3. Like I said, you can just go ahead and pause the video so you can see this screen right here. And you're going to choose 2 to 3 from each group. Do not overthink it. If you find something that just sort of jumps out at you, I want you just to sort of, with soft eyes, go over this and just write those words down. So for me, actually, I'm not going to tell you, because I don't want you I don't want you to do the ones that I've done. So go ahead and just pause this now. You can write down group number 1, group number 2, group number 3 in columns, 2 to 3 from each group. And then we're going to move on to the next one. So again, you can pause it here. Group number 4, group number 5, and group number 6. Choose 2 to 3 from each one. Do not overthink this. Don't spend a lot of time doing this. This is really just meant to be an activity of using your intuition. So I'm going to move on to the next section. And so then we come to group number 7. Again, you can pause this and go ahead and write down group number 7. So then we're going to move on here. Okay, so from the 7 to 14 words that you have selected, I want you to really again, pause this video, and I want you to go through and choose the 5 values that matter most to you, and I want you to write those down. If you want to choose all 5 and use all 5 right now, that's fine, or if you want to just choose 2 to 3, I like to have a top 3 of my values written down, although I do have 5 written down. So that's really the simplest way to go about doing this. And when you are done with this activity, I would love for you to share your top 3 to 5 values in the group and tell us maybe a little bit about why you have chosen those. And we will look forward to hearing more about that. All righty, we'll see you soon.